In the next month, we shall see something new released. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The other night I hosted Rotor Talk Live and was joined by very special guest Johnnie Alfonso, Johnnie Drone Flyer, and very special guest host Ron Brunt. Part of the evening we just talked about the rumors that DJI is coming out with another new drone besides the DJI FPV drone. So without further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Ron, I don't know if you saw this, and I want to run this by you. Johnny and I had talked about this a little earlier before you joined us, and it was just one of these innocent little tweets that Ositalev put out here. Okay, and let me bring it up on the screen.
Yeah, let's see what Ron's guess is.
Okay.
My buddy Ositalev, huh?
In the next month, we shall see something new released. Okay. Now,
and that's the 20th, which was let's see, what's today?
3 days ago. 3 days ago.
I was thinking, oh, Action 2 camera coming out. Lauren said it's drone related. So, and several people put in there. Greg Pittman said Smart Controller 2, second version iteration of the Smart Controller.
Oh, because of the rumors that this drone will have OcuSync 3 in it.
Right.
Flash. So once this Flash is released, the OcuSync 3 basic secret will be out of the, that secret will be known then. So at that point they could release Smart Controller. Yeah, but why wouldn't they time it with the release of, because obviously the Smart Controller won't work with a Flash drone.
Yeah, it won't work with a Flash drone.
Yeah. So why would they release it before the Mavic or the Mavic Cloud or whatever it's going to call? Yeah, I don't understand why they release it. Maybe unless it was backward compatible with OcuSync 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it had better hardware at that. Because again, as much as I like the Smart Controller. I don't know if it's the hardware in it or the software, but the touch screen is a little slow. It doesn't instantly respond to your touches, especially if you give it multiple touches in a row, it slows down trying to catch up. So it's not the fastest touchscreen device out there, so that it is room for improvement there. So I don't know if the technology is possible, but if they could make a Smart Controller 2 with OcuSync 3 but also backwards compatible with OcuSync 2. Now that could be something that could interest a lot of people, Bill.
Yeah, Ron, and I think you're right, Ron.
Ron, were we not listening last night? Lauren said he let the kitty out of the bag last night on your show. I don't know.
He started saying a couple kitties last night. It's a matter of which kitty.
Yeah, he did. And we were, you were trying to hook him too a couple times. So, hey.
Well, Lauren just put in there, imitation is the highest form of flattery. So
he's right.
So there we go here. So so this is kind of leaving the door open. I mean, he said it is drone related, so maybe this is. And folks, Lauren just put a great plug in. You may want to go back and watch Drone Nation tomorrow night and take a look and see what was said last night on the show. Lauren said he let the kitty out of the bag, so go through the show. If you haven't watched Drone Nation, go and watch them, okay? And you may find out something, okay? Question of the day. Do you think that DJI is coming out with another new drone? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.